Keep watching. I will show you how you can play cool tricks with this app and then how you can actually download the app. So open Google Play Store and search for Motion Stills. An iOS version of this app is also available at the App Store for the iPhone and iPad users, but I think the AR mode is not available in the iOS version of this app. I'm not 100% sure about that though. So as you can see, it comes from research at Google. So the R&D wing of the Google's app development team actually have made this app, and it is just awesome. Before you can actually download and use the app, just let me show you a nice review of the app. There are lots of things that you would like to know before jumping right into it. So keep watching. The link to download the app will be there in the video description, and any other important information or any kind of other related links will be there in the video description. So check the description out. Also, if you end up liking this video, don't forget to press the like button. It means a lot. It inspires me a lot. Stay connected. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. It's free. So now let's begin. This app has 3 modes. The first one is motion still. Let me show you how you can create cool motion stills. You just need to tap the camera shutter button on the screen and then it will record for 5 seconds. It is basically a still picture with some motion. That technically does not mean it is a still picture. Anyways, after capturing, it shows you the preview. Then you can do these cool tricks. You can loop it and you can see it has created an awesome sequence. Basically, I am tossing the bottle from one hand to my other hand endlessly. Now let's try to do a nice bottle flip with this yellow bottle. Well, this was the best I could do. Anyways, as you can see, if I loop it, it has created this nice sequence, kind of a magic trick. This is not perfect, the bottle flip was not perfect, but you get the idea. This is another try and another fail, but it is looking very nice, kind of a magic trick. The main attraction is the AR mode. AR means, of course, augmented reality, in which you can make cool animated characters appear in your video. But before that, let me show you the other mode. This is fast forward mode. Basically the same mode as the motion still, but it automatically fast forwards your sequence, but you can do that in motion still anyways. Here also, you can loop the sequence back and forth, and you can also change the speed, the playback speed. Up to 8x you can increase the speed, and you can also play it at a normal speed. By default, the stabilizer will be on, but if you wish, you can turn the stabilizer off. All these options are available in both motion still and fast forward mode. If you want to share the sequence or save it as a GIF animation or video, you just need to click on the share button. And if you want to share on social media, you can just do that, or if you want to save it on your phone, you can just click on save to gallery and then it will be saved. Now let's check out the main attraction, that is the AR mode. In augmented reality mode, you will get cool animated characters in your video. You can place them anywhere you want. You just need to tap the screen and the character will be placed there. There are multiple characters available. You can choose from multiple characters. The good thing is that to use the AR mode, you don't need to have any kind of AR supported hardware in your phone. When Google created the Google Project Tango, it did not really become very successful in the market. The Project Tango required multiple AR hardwares and sensors, and with those hardwares, it did all the cool things. But in this case, you do not need to have any kind of special hardware in your phone. Of course, it is not perfect, Many times these animations or animated characters have hard time detecting the highs and lows and any kind of terrains on the surface. But again, this is not an easy job to do. Detecting a surface and highs and lows and any kind of terrain in the surface is not an easy job, especially without the dedicated hardware and sensors. So anyways, now let's look at some of those cool animated characters. You can also use two-finger gestures to zoom in and zoom out and rotate the animated characters, just like you do with your pictures. You pinch to zoom in or zoom out, just like that. Isn't it looking like that the T-Rex dinosaur is actually typing on my keyboard? Now that the chicken have finished cleaning up my keyboard, I asked him to clean up inside the cabinet as well. Thank you, Mr. Chicken. Now, what is this? An alien inside my PC cabinet? There must be some kind of virus in my Windows operating system. Look, it has moved to the monitor in the lock screen as well. I'm so scared. Is it the sign of an alien invasion? As there was some viruses inside my Windows system, also there was an alien invasion inside my PC. So I asked Mr. Robot to fix my computer. Thanks, Mr. Robot. Oh, and I almost forgot to tell you that you can switch to the front camera in motion still and fast forward mode, but unfortunately for some reason the AR mode doesn't support the front camera. It would have been really nice if there was support for the front camera in the AR mode. You can also create video or animation GIF sequence from the AR mode as well. But in the AR mode, it will keep recording until you press the stop recording button, which is a good thing. Here is the preview, and you can also apply some cool tricks or effects. You can also save it or share it on the social media, just like you can do in the other two modes. Talking about the settings, there are only a few, in which the first one is the GIF quality, which is by default set to the highest mode, which in my opinion is not really high quality, but for GIF it is good enough. And you can also select how many times the shared clips will actually repeat. You can also turn on or turn off watermark, and you can also choose to save the animation directly on the gallery of your phone if you decide to share it directly from the app. I have also tested it for extreme low light conditions. Realistically speaking, I didn't expect it to work at all, but on the positive side, it did actually work, and it did not do too bad. Of course, it is going to screw up in these conditions, and it is not hardware based AR, so it will not be perfect, but as you can see, it did pretty well for the condition. The lighting condition is very low. Overall, it did pretty good. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to press the like button. This is a futuristic awesome app. Share the video with the others. There are many cool videos coming up in this channel. Do subscribe and press the bell icon to stay notified and updated about our upcoming videos. There are a lots of good videos in this channel. Do check those out. If you have anything to say or if you have any queries, just comment it down below. So guys, that's it for this video. Have a great time. Bye, and I will see you in the next video.